friends, myself Sourish and today I am going to make one DIY paper craft. You can also call it as paper lantern.
Take one A4 size paper, one scale, one pencil, glue and scissor. Make the A4 size paper into a square size. Draw a line to cut the paper. Now you can see this paper, A4 size paper, became a square size paper. This is square size. Now fold it. You can see this is a triangle shaped. Now draw a line on the closed side. Again, draw the same distant line on the another side. You can see in the video, having the same distance. All the lines should have the same distance. Now cut the lines from the open side. You can see how you have to cut. Now open it very carefully. Open it twice. Now stick this. Leave one and again stick the third one. Again leave one and stick the fifth one. Again leave one and stick the next. Now move another side, stick the rests. Stick the last one. Now you can see the paper lantern is ready. You can use different type of color paper and you can prepare this type of lantern.